Example 34. A pentagonal prism of side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long is resting with an edge of its base on HP, such that the rectangular faces containing that edge is inclined at 60 degree to HP. Draw the projections when the axis of the prism is parallel to VP. So here now we are having a pentagonal prism which is inclined to HP. The important conditions here are that one of the smaller edges of this pentagonal prism is resting on the HP. This will automatically mean that we are having an inclined prism with respect to HP. And also here in this question it is mentioned that the angle of inclination of this rectangular face which is inclined to HP is 60 degree, and also the prism is parallel to VP. So simply it's a pentagonal prism with inclined axis to HP, sorry, inclined face to HP at 60 degree. Now we will see how to imagine this first. So here we have to make the rectangular face inclined to HP. So now you see that I am rotating this pentagonal prism such that one of the rectangular faces will be inclined to HP. So let us say this is the given inclination angle, and when you view it from the front you will easily observe that the face is inclined now, the axis as you can see inclined. Now I have placed this on the horizontal plane. When you see it from the front you observe that below the edge one of the edge is directly resting on the HP. So this is going to be our final front view, where you can see two rectangles and the other edges will be visible in hidden lines. And in the top view you will find that there will be a pentagon which is visible in the top and two rectangles, but the bottom rectangle has to be covered also with hidden lines, because it is there, this the edges are there but not visible from the top. That is why we will draw that edges, longer edges in the hidden lines. Also we have to before drawing these views we have to first assume that it is directly standing on the HP, and we will draw a pentagon and rectangles. Then we will tilt the views obtained from that assumption. Now we will see how to draw this.
So as we have seen that first we have to assume this pentagonal prism to be resting on the horizontal plane. Our front view would be again a pentagon of 30 mm side. This is going to be a top view, and you need to draw this with the 2H pencil, 72-degree angle. Now I will measure the 30 mm because this length will be 30. And this length is 30. One more angle, keeping the protector in this fashion at the end of this point, and 72-degree is here. Again this is 30. So this completes our front view. Now now we will draw its front view by projecting these lines. And as you know, the axis height given in the question is 60 mm. Need to mark 60 mm here. 60 mm. And I am drawing this line to get the center point and the axis line of this figure. 15 mm joining with the opposite corner. This is your center point. This is your axis line. So actually this was our assumption that it was resting on the horizontal plane, but in the actual question it is given that it is inclined at 60 degree to the HP and its face is inclined to the HP. That means in this question it's not mentioned the axis but the face. So I have to draw this face inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal plane. For this reason I am taking some point somewhere here. Now I will draw. So I am taking 60 degree angle. Now I can draw this with the 2H pencil. This is going to be a 60 mm. See that the angle is here, making an angle of 60 degree, and I need to measure the length, which can be measured with the scale or else with the compass also. With the compass it's showing a length. It's showing a length of around 47 mm. Or else you can measure this in the scale also if you are confused. 47 mm. So this total width is 47 mm. There you go. And to draw the axis line and measuring this distance, I am cutting the arc here, and also to get this edge. So this is going to be your axis line, which is very important in this case. So we can see that now our front view is completed. For just the reference point, I am just marking some name. I am naming this corner as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means this will become 1 dash, this is 2 dash, this is 3 dash, and again this is 4 dash, this is your 5 dash. This means this 3 dash and 4 dash is here, 3 dash and 4 dash. This is 2 dash and 5 dash, this is 1 dash. And as for the top view goes, our top view is parallel to the vertical plane. As the axis is parallel to the vertical plane, it will be a straight rectangle. To get this, again we need to project. Also from this top view. Now we will match this point and also the axis line is required. So now we will see just 1 dash is coming from here and 1 is coming from here. So they will meet here. 2 dash and 2 dash, 2 here. 5 dash and 5 here. 3 and 3 dash, 4 and 4 dash. Sorry, 4 dash is wrong. This will be your 4 and 4 dash. Sorry. And we can take points here also, the same points, 2 dash, 5 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, same points, doesn't matter. This 3 dash and this is 4 dash. Actually this is a top base, this is the bottom base, but still I am marking the same points. From that second line from here and second line from here, this is first line from here and first line from here, this is fifth line from here and fifth line from here. So as this top view is visible, this top base is visible, I will darken only this portion first. So our little contractor pentagon appears like this, but this is the top base. So this completes our top view, and we can draw this also dotted line because this is also not visible to us. So actually, as only this base is visible from the top, we have drawn this pentagon here, little contracted pentagon, but only two base edges were available from the top. That is why I have drawn these three lines in the dashed lines. And for the dimensioning part, we need to give the angle, that is 60 degree, and the axis height, and also the axis height is 60, and the base is 30. So our exercise number 34 is completed now.
So this is the final solution of example number 34. As you can see here, this was our assumption that it is directly standing on the HP. This way it is very light 2H pencil. But the main thing you have to observe here is that the face which is inclined at 60 degree to the HP.